Machine. How do you come to school every day? You may be using car, bus, bicycle, rickshaw, or maybe you walk to the school. Car, bus, rickshaw, and bicycle are all human-made things. There are many human-made things that help us to do our work easily and quickly.
Such things are called machines. For example, air conditioner, juicer, and vacuum cleaner.
In your daily life, you use a lot of machines to perform different activities. For example, you use a sharpener to sharpen your pencil, a refrigerator to keep your things cool and fresh, a television to watch your favorite cartoons. Features of a machine. Machines are very useful to us. Machines save a lot of time. Machines don't make mistakes. Machines work very fast.